Welcome! Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to send a story link on Instagram using your PC. With the latest updates, sharing links has become more accessible than ever. Let's get started. First, open Instagram on your computer. You can do this by visiting the Instagram website through your preferred web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your stories easily. Next, navigate to the story you want to share. This could be a story you've posted or someone else's that you wish to share. Once you find it, click on it to view the full story. Now, it's time to grab that link. Look at the address bar at the top of your browser. Here, you will see the URL of the story. Click on it to highlight the entire link. After highlighting the link, right-click on it and choose Copy from the context menu. This action saves the link to your clipboard, making it ready for sharing. Next, look at the left side menu of your Instagram interface and find Messenger. Click on it to open your direct messages. Once in Messenger, navigate to the chat where you want to send the link. This could be a friend or a group chat. Click on the chat to open it. Finally, in the message box, simply paste the link you copied earlier. You can do this by right-clicking in the message box and selecting Paste, or by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V, Command+V for Mac users. Once pasted, hit Enter to send the message, and there you have it. You've successfully shared a story link on Instagram from your PC. This simple process allows you to keep your friends updated with interesting stories without any hassle. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using social media effectively. Happy sharing!